Hello students, we are doing an eye defect question today. The question will appear very soon. Try the question, give it a try. If you can do the question, that's great. Right, let's get into the question now. This question, they are telling this person actually he is wearing some specs, and then only plus 2D, then only this person can see this 40 centimeter. So something the book kept at 40 centimeters, right? So remember this thing. This person is now wearing the specs, right? This is so. This 40 centimeter is not the natural near point, right? Okay. So one thing we need to find. So all right, let's get into the question now. So they are asking, if a book is placed at 25 centimeter, what is the specs or the lens that this person must be wearing to see 25 centimeters? But here they are giving us actually 40 centimeter. This is not the near point. This is the near point when this person is wearing plus 2D specs, right? Lenses. So then what we need to do is we need to find the real near point, right? So this person is having long distance problem because near point is not visible. So let's apply lens formula to find the real near point, right? Okay, 1 over v minus 1 over u equals 1 over f. So this is the equation we are going to apply here. So what basically happening is the real near point is somewhere here, right? The real near point. So this plus 2D lens actually what is creating, it is creating an image of this book at the real near point. An image of this book at the real near point. So real near point, that has to be the, yes, that is the image distance. Okay, right. So 1 over v actually we do not know, right? 1 over v we do not know, but u of course we know. That's 40, right? F 1 over that's 2D, so that's power equals minus 1 over f. So 2 equals minus 1 over f. So f equals minus 1 over t. Basically it's 0.5 meters, that means 50 centimeters. So let's apply this in centimeters because 40 centimeters also in centimeters, right? So minus, remember minus 50. Like, let's do the simplification now. 1 over v equals 1 over 40 minus 1 over 50. I hope you can see it. Let's take the common denominator now. 200. It's 5 here minus 4. You can see it's 1 over 200. Let's take the reciprocal value. Then we get v equals 200 centimeters. That means the real near point is at 200 centimeters. Right. Now we have the real near point. Now we can get into the question. So now they want us to see this book that kept us 25 centimeter, right? So what we need to do is we need to create an image of this book at real near point, which is at 200 centimeters. So let's do the math right over here, right? Let's apply the equation. Lens formula, 1 over v minus 1 over u equals 1 over f. Here we know both image distance and object distance, both we know, right? So let's apply the values, right? So 1 over v, that is 200 centimeters. 1 over 200 minus u, it's 1 over 25, and f of course we do not know that value. So let's take the common denominator again, 200. So it's 1 minus, we get 8 equals 1 over f. Then f equals 200 over 7. Right. They're asking us the power, right? So what we need to do is we need to convert this into meters. Basically divided by 100, we are getting f equals 2 over 7 meters, right? We need to find the power now, right? Power equals 1 over f, that means 7 over 2. So So here of course it's minus, right? It's minus, so it's minus, so minus minus plus 3.5 diopters. Much more powerful lens is required, obviously, right? If you couldn't do this question, actually, if you do not know how to do the question, that means you have to go through with this explanation again if you didn't understand it. But you must be able to do questions like this. So try. I have given earlier a small type of questions, very basic theory questions. This is not exactly a very basic theory question. We have to do some calculations to get into the answer. So go through with the playlist of optics eye defect questions and you will learn a lot for sure. And if you couldn't do the question, again I'm telling you, go through with the explanation again and again, you will understand it really well. Right. Try the questions. We're good to go.